Hi, today I'm going to talk about many secrets about money, how you are staying poor. And first, you must change your mindset. Don't have a poor mindset or not growing. If you see many people, many giants in the society, they change their mindset. Even they change their mindset to have success in their life. Don't have a poor mindset. You must have big goals that will shift you, that will change your mindset, that will reprogram your mindset. Think big, and if you start changing your mindset, you will see how people, your friend who don't change their mindset, who have bad mindset or limited mind belief, they will start judge you, they will point you finger, and they will say you change or you are an unwealthy man, you haven't anything, because they don't see what you are seeing, because you change your mind. The second is be in action. Take action. Great people take action. Make waste their time to taking action. Use 20 or 10% of your time planning, organizing your schedule, but the 90% or 80% must be in taking action. And in taking action, you will be satisfied, because the last word of satisfaction is action, and you are happy when you take action, and you will build your success by it, because you learn from your failure. If you learn from failure is the best experience, the best lesson you can learn from a mentor or your journey of success. Mistakes and error can help you learn very fast, and you will not do it again, because you do it and you have your experience from that. It will be difficult. You will have a bad feeling when you fail. It's not easy, but you will learn from it. Take action like great people do. In third, you must know what is money. Money is a lubricant that will help the motor run. Money is a tool that will help you solve our problem, solve our situation, help us in our situation. Don't use money for social or showing people what you have. You must have money and use it when it is time to use it, and don't show people what is money. Money magnify what you already are. If you are a bad guy, a guy that thinks to him only, it will magnify that. And people, when you have money, when you are rich, it will show people how you are. If you are a good man with a big M, a good man that will help people, a good man who has empathy, it will magnify that. So you must change your way to see money. It's very important. If you don't know it, you must read books and see how you can change your way to see money. It's very important. It will help you to your process to make money, how on your purpose, on your goals, to work from having knowledge and now making money, because your knowledge will not You will not lose your knowledge, but your money you can lose it. They can steal from you, but your knowledge people can't. In fifth, you must take your responsibility. Many people don't point finger to external facts, like it's people why I'm that. It's because people's why I'm in that situation. You must change those mindset and say to yourself, my situation is because of me. I don't work too soon. I don't read books too soon, and that is why I'm here. I'm broke. If you change that, you will see already will change. Your perspective or your life will change. It will make you a mindset that will push yourself to work hard and smart. All start inside you. Inside you is your inner voice is very powerful. You must listen to it and you will see deep understand, deep things, deep listen from you. And in taking your responsibility, you will not put your value from God, the divine, the Almighty. Because you can pray every day, money will not come. Money will come with your action. If you pray God, if He will help you in taking decision, having the right decision at the right moment, help you be strong in difficult, in hard situation, in your hard situation of your life. Because in every life of a person, you will be challenged, and challenge will come from nothing. You cannot be prepared. You must be prepared. You must have a support like God. He will always help you, even if you are a bad situation. Think like that and pray God. Have your support from Him, and you believe in Him, and you will not be disappointed. Thank you.